In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change employee tax withholding in Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, since payroll and tax settings are usually restricted to admins or authorized team members. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on People. This is where Gusto stores your employee list and profile details. After the People page opens, find and select the employee whose tax withholding you want to update. Take a moment here to confirm you've opened the correct employee profile, especially if you manage a larger team. Next, open the Taxes tab within that employee's profile. This section contains the employee's tax setup, including federal withholding details. Under Federal Withholding, click Edit to begin making changes. Now you can update the employee's tax withholding information. Depending on what needs to be changed, you may adjust the federal filing status, dependents and other credits, other income, deductions, and any additional withholding amount if applicable. As you work through this section, it's important to enter the information carefully and exactly as intended, since these settings directly affect how much federal tax is withheld from future paychecks. If the employee has provided updated withholding instructions, this is the point where you apply those changes. It's also a good idea to review each field before moving on, just to make sure nothing was entered incorrectly or left unchanged by mistake. Once the updates are entered, review the withholding information on screen. This step helps you catch any errors before saving, and it gives you one final chance to verify that the details match the employee's requested tax setup. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Gusto will then update the employee's federal withholding settings in their profile. After saving, confirm that the updated tax withholding details are reflected in the employee's tax profile and that they will be used for future payrolls. This final check is important because it ensures the update has been successfully applied and will take effect going forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed an employee's tax withholding in Gusto. Thanks for watching.